Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix randomly shuts off this issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. After click on device care, click on auto optimization. After click on auto optimization, click on auto restart and make sure disable restart when needed button. After disable restart when needed button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your side buttons work properly. Side button, volume up button and volume down button. Click volume up button. You will see volume up button is worked properly. So check volume down button. Click on volume down button and you will see volume up and volume down button is worked properly. And click on side button and you will see side button is worked properly. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset. After click on reset, scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings. Reset settings, enter your phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix randomly shut off this issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.